Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm David, and today we're diving deep into a topic on the minds of many aspiring investors, real estate. Specifically, we'll tackle the question, how long does it really take to build wealth through real estate? So, grab a cup of coffee, sit down, and let's begin. How long does it take to create wealth with real estate? Now, before we roll up our sleeves and analyze the numbers, let's start with a key question. Are real estate a fast route to wealth, or do they require patience and persistence? Spoiler alert, it's generally the second. But don't worry, I'll explain it to you. First, let's understand what we mean by creating wealth with real estate. Generally, when people talk about wealth in real estate, they refer to property value appreciation, rental income, and asset accumulation over time. Now, how long does it take to see the fruits of your investment work? Well, the answer can vary greatly depending on several factors. Let's explore some of those factors and what you can realistically expect. 1. The market cycle. Real estate operates in cycles: expansion, peak, contraction, and trough. Historically, these cycles can last between 5 and 10 years. If you buy during a recession, you can see significant appreciation when the market recovers, but that could take time. For example, if you bought a property in 2009, you might have seen its value double by 2019 as the market recovered from the Great Recession. 2. Location. Location. The area you choose is crucial. Properties in high-demand neighborhoods tend to appreciate faster than those in less desirable areas. For example, in cities like San Francisco or New York, properties can see rapid appreciation, while rural areas may see slower growth. Research shows that properties in urban areas tend to appreciate at a rate of approximately 3 to 5% annually, while rural properties may hover around 1 to 2%. 3. Investment strategy. Your approach to real estate can drastically affect your timeline. If you're doing house flipping, you might see gains in a few months. However, if you're buying rental properties, it can take years to build significant wealth. For example, say you buy a duplex for $300,000 and rent it out for $2,500 a month. After accounting for expenses, you might get a net profit of around $1,500 monthly. With proper management and reinvestment, you could see substantial capital growth in 10 to 15 years. Financing and leverage. How you finance your property can also impact the speed at which you create wealth. Using leverage, borrowing money to finance a property, allows you to control a larger asset with less of your own capital. For example, if you put down 20% on a $500,000 property, your initial investment is $100,000. If the property appreciates 5%, you're seeing a gain of $25,000, which is a 25% return on your investment. 5. Property management. Your ability to manage and improve the property can also accelerate wealth creation. Simple renovations can increase rental income and property value. According to the National Association of Realtors, a minor kitchen remodeling can generate a return of 80% or more, which can significantly improve your investment. Finally, patience is key. Creating wealth through real estate is often a marathon, not a sprint. On average, it can take 10 to 30 years for real estate investments to mature and produce significant wealth. However, this doesn't mean you won't see smaller returns along the way. Rental income can provide steady cash flow, and as your property appreciates, so does your net worth. So, to summarize, how long does it take to create wealth with real estate? It really depends on market cycles, location, investment strategy, financing, and property management. Although it can take a decade or more to see significant wealth accumulation, many investors start experiencing cash flow from rentals much earlier. If you're interested in starting your real estate journey, remember to research, stay informed about market trends, and above all, be patient. Creating wealth takes time, but with the right strategy, it can be one of the most rewarding investments you make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate information. Do you have questions or topics you want us to cover next? Leave them in the comments. Until next time, happy investing!